So there you go. We got some snow here in the ham. Truck's covered up. Trees are all covered. And that's about the extent of what we get here typically. And so it won't happen again for another 4 years. Well, the snow didn't last very long. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. And we're right back to overcast, pale, and regular grass. All right, we're on our way home from work, but first we're gonna go by Mid-South, see my buddy Jason, and see if we can't do some wheel shopping. All right, we wheel shopping. We got rows and rows and rows. We just gotta find the one we need. Looking for a 2414. 8x180 is the kicker. That's the hard one to find. 2412 8x180. Don't look bad. Hardcore off-road. What is that? A HC18? Yeah. And we got HC17. That's 8/165. What we got here? 165. What we got there? 19. That's a 6 lug. A little thin on the 8x180s. I'll tell you, the ballistic is one I'm looking at. See if I can find it in a different lug pattern. Those and those. Those are ugly. There's a ballistic there. We got Scorpion. That one looks pretty good. See, I really like these. This finish on the hardcore wheel. I think this is an 18 also. Yeah, HC18. Let's see what this looks like.
50/24.
Golly, that's a mud terrain for sure. Yeah. So this is the same tire.
That is it.
That, yeah, so I said 13. That's a 37, 13, 50, 24.
Yeah. And then another. That's like a damn RVP.
Is it? Just looks. Yeah, it looks. The tread looks good on it.
Yeah. It's well. Here's the thing, man. I'm gonna tell you right now. I'll seen that tire. But don't call me with no issue.
That kind of tire, huh?
Well, here's the thing.
We had some street tires a while back that you said the same thing.
And the problem is they just ride like shit.
Yeah, because they're the cheapest.
But
it's a mud terrain too.
Yeah, that's a 13/26.
Yeah. Ball sizes are how they can get the money. Look at that sidewall.
Yeah.
That's a 26/33.
The only thing that's good for is a 26/12. So I'm trying to figure out exhaust shit right now.
Cam sounds good. Look at that thing shaking, man. That truck's just shaking left and right. I love it when it's idling like that. Oh, you got side exit. Nice.
Yeah.
What muffler's on it? Yeah. Long tubes.
Yeah.
So, need you guys' help. Just left MTW. You guys need to check these guys out. As you saw, they've got a warehouse full of wheels and tires. And we know the size that we're going to go with. I'm doing a 37 13.5 by 24 tire. And we're doing a 2414 wheel. So now I just got to figure out what to get. So I need you guys' help. I need you to drop a comment. Let me know what kind of wheels and tires you guys like. And ultimately, we're going to land on something. And maybe we'll get something by the end of this week. We'll see. It's going to be cold again tonight. I'll plug this thing in. There we go. All right, I just got home and I realized that my son is a piano prodigy. So check this out. Leaman,
He's put
how many songs you know on piano?
3.
3. Show me the first one. This was what?
What?
Start over.
I haven't played this. Oh. Oh, that's so right.
C. Landon, you know how to do it too?
I taught him a little bit.
What the heck? All right, Leaman. Next time we show you, you're gonna be way better.
No.
All right, cool. Perfect place to end the video.